What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Thank you for clicking on this video and watching another Loopring video here. I think this is going to be a very important video because I'm going to go through all the details of, what I see the potential of this coin could be, some news, and also just kind of some points that you should take into the future when it comes to talking about Loopring or watching Loopring videos, or hopefully I have other Loopring videos on my channel. There's going to be a lot of information here. So guys, if you're interested in this content and want to see more and more of these Loopring videos or these overall cryptocurrency videos, let me know. Click the like button and you'll let me know if you do like the video. Comment in the comment section below and let me know what you liked about this video, the different parts you thought were on point, or if you have any predictions yourself. It's always great to understand what the community here says about it. And, I have open ears. That's what it's all about. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. If you guys want to join the Discord group, that link is in the description, as well as I do a stream every day. So if you want to follow me on Twitch, I do it on YouTube, but if you also want to follow me on Twitch and help me out, then definitely hit that link and follow me over there. But let's talk about Loopring here. Let's go ahead and dive into what happened today. Then we'll get into some other information here as well. So we can see Loopring is currently at $2.90. It says here in the last week, I guess it's up 31%. Let's look at the last hour. Last hour, it's down about 0.37%. Not really much movement, in the past hour. On the past day, you can see it's down about 10%. Week, you saw it was up about 32%. Past month, almost 600%. The past year, about 1,500. In the past, basically, however long it's been since 2017, 2,300%. So that's what we're seeing with Loopring and where the price is right now at $2.89. Now, it did pull back from a high point here of $3.37, falling all the way back down to, I believe, a low of, I think it was like 280 something. It was lower than that, and I don't know why Coinbase is not updating, but I believe it was like 280 something. So it was hovering around that same range that I believe it was going to hover at. It was really consolidating and still is consolidating between like 325 to 275 basically. So $2.75 and $3.25. You can see here that the market cap is at 3.9 billion. A lot of people have been saying in like streams, or a couple of people have been saying in streams that I'm tired of getting into something that's already done, like that already grew. I understand Loopring had a massive growth from, the level of, pennies to now up into the dollar ranges. We understand that, but no way is this done, because when you look at a market cap and you understand what the potential is of a position, you have to understand the market cap and where those ranges of market caps fall when you start to see them really blow up, especially with things that are very popular. And this is one of those. At $4 billion market cap, that's very low. That's on the level, or the low level, of average, right? Average, I consider between 1 to 10 billion, right? That's where I consider that average for market cap. And this is somewhere closer to the bottom, but still like somewhere in that middle of average. So not even breaking average, it's not done. Yes, you're going to have trouble seeing the same gains that you would see if you bought in at 2 cents. Yeah, you would have trouble then. But if you bought in at $2, you're still seeing a decent gain, and every $2 it would double and it would triple and it would quadruple, right? That's what you would see. And I know a lot of people want to get in early, but it's very tough to get in early on some of those, because a lot of times you have to go into a different platform. And if you're going through Coinbase, it's a different story. So I just wanted to call that out there and let you guys know that it's not over. Loopring is not over. It's really just getting started. Yes, you may have missed the beginning stages of it, where you can get in at 2, but you still have a lot left in the tank here. So here you can see Loopring is at 1.3 billion circulating supply. Basically, all of the supply is gone. That's one big point, or not all the supply is gone. All of the total supply is issued or is out there. So that's good to be able to see. The volume is down about 18%. I do not like seeing that. Now, I did want to call this out, and I think this person makes a great point. It's in the Loopring community Reddit forum, which has 13,000 members. If you guys want to join that, then go ahead. I have joined it. I'm not leading it, but I have joined it. And I think, I can't remember where it was. I think this person made a great point. Basically saying, stop it. Stop talking about GME and when it's going to happen. A lot of people like to mention dates. Yes, you can talk about the fact that they are in, a potential partnership, right? You can talk about that. But when people start talking about dates and stuff like that, it's the same thing that did happen with Dogecoin. It's 100% true. If you have a certain date, it's more of a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event. And you don't want people to sell the news because then it will just plummet. And I agree with this person. I 100% agree with them that you can see, yes, you can have dates and stuff out there, but don't just spam the fact that, oh, the announcement's coming today, the announcement's coming today, the announcement's coming today, because people get tired of it. And also, people will sell before that news happens because a lot of people like to buy the rumor and sell the news. And if you're selling the news and you're selling something that you have no news on, then that person's making a mistake. You're also seeing the price go down. So it's not really a good look to be able to do something like that. So I wanted to point that out, let you guys know that yes, they are right. And I'm a part of this Reddit forum. So if you guys want to be a part of the Reddit forum, I don't know who's the leaders of this community, who are the moderators and everything, but I've joined this community, and I don't know if there is a bigger one out there. So let me know if there is, and I can definitely join that as well. But I did want to point that out because I think that's a great point. Like, we need to stop throwing dates out here and say GME partnership is happening today, you know? But yeah, Loopring, great coin, right? I've been in it for a while. I have about 500 and I plan on buying more at about $2.70. But let's look at my Excel spreadsheet so you guys understand the potential if you didn't get a chance to check out my first video. The full potential of Loopring, if we're going to look at this as a whole and understand where it is right now, currently the price is at, let's look at $2.89. $2.89. You're looking at that level of it. Obviously, the supply is a little bit higher than that. It's not just 1.3. It's 1.3 something, right? So you're seeing about a $4 billion market cap. Let's leave it at that. $4 billion. Now, if we wanted to jump up here, and let's just put this to $5, and let's add this to about $4. If we wanted to look at it at $10, look at the market cap. That's what we need to focus on. A $13 billion market cap is very low compared to some of the highest coins that are out there, right? If we go over to, let's see, if we go over here to this, right? Let's just go to coin market cap and show exactly what are the top coins by market cap. You can see Bitcoin is at 1.2 trillion. You can see Ethereum is at about 500, almost 600, billion dollars. BNB is up in that $100 billion mark, which is great to see another coin up in that level. That's great to see that up there. And I'm surprised to say that because typically you don't see things hold those levels of 100 billion. So it's great to be able to see another coin stay up there and hold up there. You have, Solana that's up in the $72 billion range. So you're looking at all of these coins up in the like $1 billion range. And then you could see that if we go down here, let's scroll down a little bit more, we can find Loopring at 49th on the list of, the top 100 coins by market cap, right? This has a ways to go. It has so much room to grow from here. And you can see it get to a level of, 7 billion. You can see it get to a level of 10 billion, right? With the popularity and the tie to GameStop, it could be absolutely huge, right? So that's where we start to really look at that and say, all right, what's reality? Where does this get to? Is it something that can get to a top 20 coin? Is it something that you can expect to be over $20 billion worth of a market cap? Because if it is, you can look at it between that $10 to $30 range, right? If you expect it to break, crazy highs and be like the third on the list of, coins by market cap, you could see this up in the level of 130 and get to $100 per coin, right? This is where the unknown is. But what you can do is understand what the full potential is. Wherever you believe the potential can be, understand that calculation, break that down and say what that price will be at. I can definitely see short term, you can see this getting to the level of between $10 to $30. That's huge. It's really huge for a lot of people that are holding right now, because if you're holding thousands of dollars worth, you can see this double, triple, quadruple in price, right? And, even more than that, right? You can see it 10x in price, because currently at $3, 10x of that would be $30. So you could see that 10x in price, and your account value can 10x in value as well. So holding $10,000 can turn into $100,000. Things like that. So that's the full potential. Understand where you see this going. I don't want to tell you exactly where it's going for me, but I can tell you short term, I definitely see between $10 and $30 as a pretty decent high. That's with the announcement of GME. So we don't know exactly how this will go without it and where it will go without it, but I do see maybe a little slight pullback, so that I will buy on those pullbacks as we do get into it. Now let's take a look. Let's go back here and let's just take a look at Loopring just to understand where we are on the chart. So if we look at it for a month, we can see that we had this large growth here where we did have a slight pullback at one of these peaks, and you did see this peak, and now we're seeing that slight pullback again, right? Did increase to a level of, about $3 and some odd cents, but then started to decrease yet again. Are we seeing this create the lower highs and lower lows? It's possible. We could definitely see another touch point. Maybe it can find another touch point here, down here at this level, maybe the $150, $2 mark. I would love to see that, but it's so tough to say that this will come back with all of the people that are holding the position. It's very, very tough. You can see here that the typical days of hold time is 11 days. That's increasing. The last time I checked, it was 7. So this is definitely increasing to where people are holding it for a lot longer. And if they're holding it for longer, then they're developing that same total mentality that someone invested in GME would have. So that's what I have for you guys today. I could talk your ear off about Loopring the whole entire day for an hour if I wanted to, but that's what we have for you guys. So hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Twitch. I really want to grow my Twitch to something bigger, so that I have, a following over there, a following on YouTube, and that I can never get derailed if YouTube decides to just cancel me out of nowhere, So definitely go over there and follow me on Twitch, follow my Patreon, as well as other platforms, other channels that I have. I just have a lot of stuff going on, and I want to make sure that things are secure just in case something would happen out of nowhere. I've seen some stuff. But anyways, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next